Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I am going to discuss about how to make first color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to make a first color correction, we'll use first color corrector effect. We'll go to the effects panel and then go to video effects and then go to obsolete, and here we'll find first color corrector effect. Then we'll apply first color corrector effect into our footage. Here you can see that we have applied our first color corrector effect into our footage. We can also find the first color corrector effect by writing into the search panel. Here you can see our first color corrector effect. We can change the color correction from here. You can see if we change the handle of this to any point, there is a change of colors. So we'll move this handle to the point or to a color which we would like to apply on the footage. If we want to less the color, we'll minimize the handle. So we'll just minimize the scale to apply minimum color effect. We turn off this is we turn off and turn off this is we'll see what is the effect has been applied, what is the color correction effect has been applied on our footage. We want to see the split view. From here, show the split view. If we choose vertical, you can see there is a difference. These are the portion which applied the color. This is the portion where the color has not been applied. If we increase the amount, so we can clearly see the difference. If we increase the amount of the handle, you can see the green is more green. There is a two first color corrector effect has been applied, so we'll delete one. You can also change the hue angle. The hue angle, if we change the hue angle, you can see the circle is moving. So I'll reset it to 0, the default value. We can change any parameters from here. The balance magnitude, the handle which we change the amount of the color correction, it is the balance magnitude. We can change it manually from here. We can change the balance angle also, that means in which direction this balance magnitude, and we can also change the saturation and we will make it to its default value 100. We can also change the white level or gray level or black level from here. If we choose black one, it will be black mode. If we reset it, undo it, then it will go to the previous one. And if we choose auto black level, auto contrast level, auto white level, it will automatically correct the auto black level and auto contrast level and auto white level. We can also change the input levels here. We can also change the output black level and also output white level. You can change the parameters for your pages as you record color correction. You can see that there is a white level has just been increased. Will not change too much in a white level, will not make too much difference than the original one, will slightly change the color correction than the original footage, or you can do whatever it requires to make the color correction on your footage. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in the next lesson. Thank you and stay connected.